Alright guys, this is my everyday carry pouch. It is made by Condor. It is MOLLE compatible, about 7 inches long, 4.5 inches wide, and anywhere from 2.5 to 3.25 the way that it is filled right now. First of all, we have an Altoids tin. These are little Ranger bands which you just snip off of bicycle inner tubes. You can get those anywhere you want, cut them with scissors. Inside this, first of all, earplugs. I always sleep with earplugs. Sometimes when I'm on the go and I forget to take the earplugs with me, I remember that I have them in my pouch. These are fire straws, a little bit of cotton inside there with Vaseline. You just close up the end with needle nose pliers and melt the end. A little bit of medical tape. There's different medications in here. Some of it is pain reliever, some of it is Aleve, some of it is Benadryl. Just a mixture of stuff that once in a while I might need. Little individual tube of super glue. And this is copper wire, just in case you need to secure something that might get hot. Little plastic bag of various fishing lures and sinkers and hooks. There's more medications inside here. A flat razor. A magnifying glass. This is a card, like for a store, credit card style, which is wrapped with Gorilla Tape. I had to trim the edges a little bit for it to fit in there. And this is a moleskin, in case you have blisters on your foot or something like that. This is more Gorilla Tape. I have various needles and hooks inside that as well. Inside, clippers. This is a little Swiss knife, has different little attachments to it. The scissors will probably be most handy. There's also a little there's a toothpick, and the other one was tweezers. This is a little light, Lumo by Nebo. I like that once you click on it, it stays on. This thing was like $5. I pick up a whole bunch of them. One thing that I did is I cut here and then I threaded in a zip tie, and then I did the same thing on the other side. Just cut in here and then thread your zip tie in. I have a bunch of smaller zip ties here, an emery board, a Sharpie which has fishing line here and dental floss here. You can use this to sew something if you need to. Just a standard old handkerchief. All kinds of uses for these things, of course. That's it for that pouch. And then inside, some band-aids, more band-aids. This little part is kind of difficult to get stuff out of. Mirror, gauze pad. These are antiseptic towels, antibiotic ointment, Looks like we have this is a larger gauze pad, and then there's some cotton swabs inside there. Pair of latex gloves. This is a produce bag. Get out of your grocery store. This can be used for all kinds of stuff. They are generally hole proof. You can carry water in that if you need to. Can't find anything else in there. And this is a Gerber mini tool, which has all kinds of different little attachments onto it. Probably 18 bucks from Walmart. And then a little mini Bic. What I do is I take off, there's usually a protective cover on this. It's a child safety thing. When you take that off, it's easier to just light it that way, especially when it's cold out. And I think that might be it. I know I used to have some cord in here. That probably got used. I keep bank line in here just a little bit. That probably got used. So it's good to check these things every once in a while. Know what you need to restock. Alright, that's it. See you.